Alright, hello YouTube. That's my inaugural flight of my drone. I got my DJI Mini 3 right here, Pro, and and the propeller and my controller. It's all updated now, and it was supposed to rain all day today, but luckily I found a little bit of clearing in the clouds, so I'm gonna go try it right now. It's gonna end either success or massive failure, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, everybody, I'm performing the gimbal check. Alright, gimbal check is okay. Then I gotta perform the RC calibration. We're launching now. Alright, push the button. Alright, so there we go. There we go. It's amazing, ain't it? Really hope it's getting on camera. Is it? Yeah, it is on camera. It's alright. There we go. I'll keep it a little bit lower so you guys can see too. Turning on the camera now. Alright, going sideways. Going sideways. This is so cool, guys. I can't believe it, man. Alright, gonna get you guys a little bit closer to it. It's so stable, I cannot believe, oops, wrong way. I cannot believe how stable this is. Right now I'm having DJI Inception right here because I got a DJI Osmos or whatever the heck they call it, a gimbal that you're watching right now. And then I got the DJI Maverick Mini that you guys see right now. Alright, I got locked on there, so I should be good to go. Oh man, that's pretty cool, that's pretty cool.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And all the doubters, they're just downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it.
Alright, so I had to cut my trip short because, or flight short, because apparently it started to rain really hard outside. Heard some lightning, so you know the Maverick handled pretty good in rain. I was kind of doubting its ability to take a lightning strike, so I called it a little bit early. But yeah, in my short flight, I have the DJI Maverick 3. I think there's a Pro in there somewhere. I really like the drone. I think the biggest upgrade is this RC controller. I didn't experience any of the connection issues my friends had when they had the DJI Maverick 2 and then the DJI Maverick 2 Zoom with their phone app they use, given both of them were on the Android system. And I was really satisfied. It was really easy to connect. All I did is I just had to turn this on, and I did have to sync to this. It isn't like an auto sync, at least that I discovered, but it was a very fast sync. And you know, I was just amazed how many satellites this thing can get so quickly. It got like 30 satellites up here, so you know, it's pretty accurate, to tell you the truth. So yeah, I really liked it. One thing I kind of found interesting, I thought my controller was broken for the longest time because I couldn't zoom in the camera on a gimbal, and I found out that so the gimbal up and down, of course, works in video, works in photo mode, but the zoom, at least for now, the zoom only works when the drone is in the camera mode. But other than that, yeah, it's really good. So today was a rainy day, but it wasn't a very windy day, so the drone was very stable, very quiet. But yeah, it's and I gotta say, it was very hard to keep this in visual range because it's just so small. I mean, it does have lights. You really can't see it when it's flying with its back towards you, though. And you know, sometimes I have to rely on this camera a lot. But the camera quality is amazing. So I'm using the old micro USB, well not micro USB, micro SD card I have for my GoPro. That wasn't really fast enough, but luckily my fast one is actually coming through the mail. So I can't wait to try that. Let's see if it improves the video quality. But yeah, in summary, I'm really satisfied with this drone. I think it's gonna get some really great footage, and it just stinks the weather was so bad today because I gotta tell you, I could not stop flying the drone. I just wanted to keep flying it. If it wasn't because of the bad weather, I'd probably still be flying it right now. And even though it felt like I was up there I felt like 20 minutes. I looked at my battery, I still have like 55 minutes left. So I still have a lot of battery time left on this. I probably want to decharge, so I don't want to wear out the battery. But yeah, it's but if you guys are in the market, at least preliminary, you know, first flight thoughts. Yeah, I would really spring for the Maverick 3 Mini Pro, and also, if you can, if it's in your budget, I really would spring for this controller too. This controller literally makes the package. In fact, I would say that if you were thinking about just getting the Mini 3 but with the old controller, just don't bother. But once you get this, oh man, it completes the package. I don't think I could fly without it. I'm just gonna lord it on all my DJI buddies I know, that how fast it connects or how good the screen looks because it looks so good. And yeah, I think DJI really hit it out of the park. I really do think it's the perfect pairing. I really do think it's the future, you know, getting away from just the app, and you know, people are just using this now, to tell you the truth. So that's my preliminary thoughts on my first flight. Pretty sure there'll be many others, and knock on wood, I didn't crash into anything, so I hope I don't crash into it either in the future. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next flight.